Reality here, if I look at the basic structure, we can probably make an argument that I am an independent contractor, not an employee. Right. If that argument fails because there's more to the fact pattern, and I'm still an employee of the Canadian company, but I'm working from South Africa, then the bottom line is still that I'm a South African tax resident working in South Africa, which means that my worldwide receipts and accruals are subject to taxation in South Africa. So the full salary is going to be taxable here. I can't, in this particular set of circumstances, claim Section 10102 because although the work is being paid to me by a Canadian company, I am working in South Africa, so it's not foreign income. So I'm not out the country while I'm doing the work, so it's not foreign income. So Section 10102, the 1.25 million exemption, is not available to me. I can't argue that the source is Canadian because the source of employment income is where I'm based, which is South Africa. So whether you are a commission earner or an employee, in this scenario, South Africa will absolutely have taxing rights on the full amount. What deductions can you claim? Well, as I said, either way, you're not getting the Section 10102 exemption, either because independent contractors don't qualify because they're not employees, or if you are an employee, you still wouldn't qualify because you don't meet the 183-day rule. But your ability to claim other expenses, such as home office expenses, such as your internet, such as your travel, such as your companies, blah, 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 that is going to be influenced by your distinction between whether you're a commission earner or a so independent contractor versus employee. Because remember, an independent contractor is not an employee and is therefore not subject to the Section 23M restriction. Whereas a employee is subject to both Section 23B and Section 23M. What does that mean practically? As an independent contractor, I can deduct pretty much everything. Whereas as an employee, I'm going to be limited to the home office expenses allowable, my wear and tear on assets specifically used for trade, bad debts, and wear and tear on assets. And that's about it. Please, please be very careful, specifically with Section 10102. It is not a catch-all. Okay.